This is my organic fertilizer machine that I made. It consists of 3 buckets, and the top bucket here has a garbage disposal built into it. I start out by pouring some water in there to kind of lubricate the pipes and everything so it flows through there. Next, I enter my normal kitchen waste like you would have. Potato peelings, cut up ends of asparagus, carrot ends, whatever. Any of the stuff you would normally throw out, I've been grinding up and using like as a fertilizer. So this device here allows me to do it without it going through my plumbing and lets me keep everything that I make. When I'm all done grinding everything up, I then unplug it, plug the cap back up. And here's how it works. All 3 buckets nest into each other. The top bucket has a cover on it, and I mounted the disposal in there. It dumps down into the second bucket here, which I put a colander in the bottom and cut a big hole, drilled holes in the bottom so that the water drains through. What I'm left with is a solid mash of ground up vegetable stuff. The bottom bucket I've been using to water the plants. As the water goes through, I figure it picks up all the nutrients and helps make the plants grow. I then take out the solid waste after it's drained down for a few hours to make sure it got most of the moisture out. I lay it out on a pan and I let it dry out. Hopefully I can use this as a dry fertilizer to add to my beds.